Hello, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 397th episode and the second episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you a great breakfast that'll be perfect on a cozy fall morning. We're going to make pumpkin spice oatmeal. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple, and easy to make. And it's going to be full of pumpkin goodness. And if you're hosting a fall brunch, this will be perfect to serve. And it warms up the soul. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pumpkin recipes playlist and my previous video, pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pumpkin spice, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to cook some pumpkin spice oatmeal magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my medium saucepan, I got the fire over medium-low heat. I add in 1 1/4 cups of evaporated milk. And we're going to add in a 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And a pinch of salt, which is 1/8 teaspoon. And a 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. Give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. So now we're going to let this heat up for about 5 minutes. You don't want it to bubble. Alright, my friends, the milk and pumpkin mixture is good and hot. Now we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of Old Fashioned Oatmeal. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to let this continue heating up for about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, this is what the oatmeal looked like after 5 minutes. So now we're going to cut the heat up to high. And we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes until it's thickened. Alright, my friends, the oatmeal is nice and thick. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of pumpkin pie spice. Alright, there's one more ingredient we got to add to the oatmeal. A 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my oatmeal. And then I'll put it in my bowl. And I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl. And there's a couple more things we got to add to it. A sprinkling of brown sugar. And some chopped pecans. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Pumpkin spice oatmeal. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Creamy. You can taste the pumpkin and the pumpkin pie spice. This reminds me of eating pumpkin pie. This pumpkin spice oatmeal is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pumpkin spice oatmeal-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.